Hello guys, welcome back to Dear Dev. We are still figuring out Python. Let's dive in. We are looking into control flow. The thing with control flow is that they make working with Python sploofic. What do I mean? You could just print a statement and render something or display something or add things. But when you bring control flow into Python and into your coding, they turn it into a drama of your own making. You determine the characters, you determine the actors, you determine the bell who is going to be the adversary. You determine how everything runs around. Control flow brings life to your code. It stops being one boring straight line, and then a lot of things can happen. Let me show you what I mean. I have a name list: Susan, Bisi, Chika, Awa, and Ben. And I want to say that for naming name lists, say welcome to the party. But I want to add some conditions. I want to make the for loop sploofic, like add another life to the for loop. So now we want to talk about people that interrupt our party. I have my name list. I have, for naming name lists, there have conditions. If name equal Chika, continue, an interruption. Elif name equal to or more, break. Then I have a print, welcome to the party. Let's see what happens when I run the code. Don't forget, I don't have or more in my name list. So that we see what's actually happening, I need to show the name of who is coming in. Using F around our strings, whatever is inside the curly bracket that is a variable is converted into a string, the value of that variable, and then gives us the entire value. So now let's run this. It says, welcome to the party, Susan. Welcome to the party, Bisi. Welcome to the party, Awa. Welcome to the party, Ben. Where's Chika? I have Chika in my list of names. What did I do? I said, if name equal to Chika, continue. That's one interruption. What does that do? It does not go on with other things under that code. It goes back to the loop. When you use continue, every other thing under the continue statement is ignored, and then the loop continues. When you have continue, every other statement or code or instruction after the continue statement is ignored. I'm talking about code within that same loop. The code under the continue is ignored, and then the loop continues. So that is why when we said if name is Chika, continue, it ignored Chika, because we're supposed to say welcome to the party, Chika. But because we said continue, Chika did not get a welcome. I don't know why. And then the loop continues. That's what continue does for you. It ignores the code under continue and continues with the loop. Imagine continue. Now we want to discuss break. So now to see what break does, let's add or more to the list. I want to put it early enough so we see what's happening. Let's run our code. Welcome to the party, Susan. Oh no, Omo is here, party over. What does break do? It puts an end to the loop. Like, no repetition whatsoever. Nobody's allowed into the party anymore as soon as you use break. Break breaks up your party. I told you we're talking about interruptions. So continue skips the rest of the information and continues with the loop. But when you use break, it means you don't want to use the loop anymore. You want to step out of the loop and go somewhere else outside the loop. So as I said, control flows gives you a charge to create your own kind of drama that can be fun and interesting. So guys, so we know that we are catching up with what we are doing. I want you to write a while loop that welcomes people to your party. So you are doing your own Owambe or Christmas party, and you don't have space for more than 20 people. So you write a while loop welcoming people. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. So when the person comes, you add the person's name to your name list. As soon as the name list is 21 or above, then you stop welcoming people. That means you break your loop when the name list is 21 and above. Write that and drop it in the comment section below. Let's see what's going on. And don't worry about making mistakes. As I said, we will make mistakes and make mistakes until we figure it out. We just need to make sure that we are having fun while we make the mistakes. Don't forget to like this video and share with other people that want to learn the intricacies of Python. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that when the other series come, you'll be alerted. See you some other time. Bye-bye.